This is our room. Welcome to our room. Hello. And this is the door. It's an interesting door. Laminated on both sides with wallpapers. And this is the floor mat. So this is our barang. And then we are going in. Let's check out the room first before I check out the bathroom. So this is the wow, it's Fort Canning. Wow, it's greenery. Our room is on the top floor, so it's the 12th floor, and you can see quite a few Orchard buildings from here. So it's not from Orchard, as you can see. And this is our bed. They only offer a queen size bed, and there's no option for smaller, single size bed. And there's a working table here. There are 2 slots for you to slot your luggages, as well as a safe, a laundry basket, and an open concept clothes hanging area. As well as, wow, their wash basin is outside. Although there's no towel down there, but I think they could be. Oh, there's a towel. There are 2 hand towels downstairs. And these are our toilet amenities. Wow, actually the things looks quite pleasant. And these are shower foam, cleansing shampoo, as well as hydrating conditioner. And it's a no bathtub kind of concept. So that's all for our room tour. I'm going downstairs to pick up our lunch for today. So from here you can see the whole corridor. Wow, it's really quite long. And this is the sign, the place where you can put stuff. And there's a fridge as well. This is the 5th floor. Top LYF, it's got the bond. And this is the common kitchen. What else is there? I think it has a staircase that links all the way down to the reception. Wow, look at this. They have an oven here.